Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Household Essentials 17145-1 Aluminum Retractable Clothesline, a versatile 5-line dryer perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This space-saving drying rack allows you to hang wet or dry laundry with ease, featuring lines that extend up to 34 feet, providing a total of 170 feet of drying space to accommodate multiple loads. Crafted with durable aluminum housing, it includes a large tightening knob to ensure the lines remain taut, tangle-free, and protected. Whether you're drying clothes inside your home or outside in the fresh air, this clothesline is designed for effortless use and convenience. The housing dimensions are 6.5 inches in length, 36.5 inches in width, and 8 inches in depth, making it a compact yet efficient solution for all your laundry needs. With its sleek design available in black, tan, or silver, it seamlessly blends into any setting while providing a practical solution for drying clothes. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your laundry routine with this reliable and easy-to-use retractable clothesline. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.